Hey everyone, it's Friday morning, February 14th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Before we dive in, a quick note, today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So, the markets pushed higher yesterday, shaking off inflation worries and yet another tariff announcement from President Trump. The Dow Jones gained 0.7%, adding more than 350 points. The Standard & Poor's 500 climbed over 1%, closing just below a record high. And the Nasdaq jumped more than 1.5%, powered by strong gains in Nvidia and Tesla. Now, about those tariffs, Trump said he wants fair and reciprocal tariffs on all U.S. trading partners. But instead of putting them into effect immediately, he's delaying them until at least April. That leaves room for negotiations, which the markets seem to appreciate. On the inflation front, the latest Producer Price Index report showed wholesale prices stayed hot in January, reinforcing the idea that the Federal Reserve might not be in a rush to cut rates anytime soon. Meanwhile, earnings season keeps rolling, and it's looking solid. Nearly 70% of Standard & Poor's 500 companies have reported so far, with most beating expectations. Robinhood shares soared after a strong fourth-quarter profit, but Reddit's stock took a hit after missing user growth targets. And before I wrap up, happy Valentine's Day. Go out there, be romantic, and, of course, help support the economy. That's it for today's recap. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Cheerio!